Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change keyboard layout, or I can say add or remove particular keyboard layout in any of the particular language in Windows 11. For doing this, you will go to Windows icon in the taskbar and right click on it. After clicking right on it, you have to click on the setting option here. This setting window will appear here. Then on the left side you have to click on the time and language option. After click on time and language, on the left side, after you click on time and language here, on the right side you will see different option where you have to click on the language and region option. After you click on the language and region option here, you will see different languages available here that you have already added. For doing or changing particular keyboard layout, you have to go to this right side three dot menu button of any language and click on language options. After you click on language options, this particular language window will appear to you. Below you will see option keyboards, and on the install keyboard option you have to add a keyboard. You will see different type of keyboard of different languages here. That settings will be applied to your keyboard of the particular language. You can download any of the particular keyboard. I have downloaded Scottish to show you. By the same easy process you can also download it, and by the same you can remove also like this. I hope this worked in your Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video.